Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Ji step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write Ji. Machine. Opportunity. Organic. For example, 机会 opportunity. Chance. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you all. To take this opportunity. 借此机会 To thank you all. Thank you. All. 借此机会向大家表示感谢。借此机会向大家表示感谢。Take this opportunity. 借此机会向大家 To you all 表示感谢。I wish to take this opportunity to thank you all. 借此机会向大家表示感谢。G in cursive. G machine. Opportunity. Organic. 机会 opportunity, chance. I wish to take this opportunity to thank you all. 借此机会向大家表示感谢。Okay, please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 机. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.